DevOps is not a thing, and the really important attitude of DevOps to remember is that the people who invented DevOps refused to define it and still refuse to define it. There are different flavors of DevOps. There is the DevOps Institute, there is DASA, there is the IBM approach, and many more. All of them are valid. So DevOps is a cultural approach. It's an attitude. It's very much about culture. And what it gives you is an approach to life through various different flavors of DevOps, if you like. But what it does rest upon is a toolbox. Part of that toolbox is automation. One of those tools that come in is Agile. That helps us deliver things quickly and consistently. Gives us sprints that go on forever. So we keep delivering and improving and improving. So Agile is one of the components of a typical DevOps initiative. And that's the hierarchy. DevOps is the culture, Agile is the tool you use to deliver it.